Welcome back to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos, and in today's video I'm gonna be teaching you guys how you guys can use Cash App. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. Now there's a couple of steps you need to know in order to use Cash App. So this section is for those people who want to get the Cash App card. You can order yourself a Cash App card and then use it. It's basically like a debit card, but it's from Cash App. And over here you can send and request money, alright? And over here you can buy stocks, alright? So you can search for whichever stock you want and you can buy them. And remember, before buying stocks you need to verify your account as well, alright? And over here you can buy Bitcoin. As you guys can see, you can click on buy, enter the amount and buy. And for buying Bitcoin as well, you need to verify your account. So come over here. In order to request money, enter the amount first and then click on request. And over here enter the cash tag of the person. After enter the cash tag, select the one which you want. Click on confirm, click on request, and $17 will be requested to Dwayne Swinson. And if you want to pay somebody, enter the amount and click on pay and enter the cash tag of the person. After enter the cash tag, select the one from if this is the one you want to send the money and click on pay, and $70 will be sent to Geo. And if you want to switch from cash to Bitcoin, you can choose Bitcoin and you can send $70 worth of Bitcoin, and you can even send stocks. Now if you want to cash out from Cash App, which means take your money from Cash App into bank, then you can choose this house, but in your screen it might show you the amount of balance you have on your Cash App, but sometimes it shows you house. Click on it, click on cash out, and you can choose how much money you want to take out from Cash App to your bank. And if you want to add money into your Cash App, you can click on add cash and then transfer money from a debit card or your bank account into your Cash App. Alright, so yeah, that's basically how you guys can use Cash App. And if you want to go to setting, you can click on the profile picture icon at the top right corner of your screen and go to the setting page of Cash App. So yeah, if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye bye.